How's it going, guys, and welcome to another Java tutorial. So in this tutorial we're going to be going over what parsing is, and surprisingly there aren't many good explanations of this, even though it's a very simple concept. So parsing literally just converts one data type to another. So I'll quickly give you guys an example. So let's say we have a string called number, and we're going to set this to 100. So this is a regular declaration. You specify the data type, you give it some name, and you give it some value. So now, what if I want to convert this string into a number? That's where parse comes in. So let's say we want to do this. So we have to specify the data type again, the new data type, and then we have, since we want this string to be an integer, we write int, let's say num parsed is equal to Integer.parse, and as you can see, the parameter has to be a string. So we're going to give it the string number, and here we're just going to do system.out.println and just print out this value. Print out, num parsed. And if we run this, we're going to get the value 100. How do we know if this is actually an integer? What if this is still a string? So let's go ahead and print the same thing out, but we're going to add 5 to it. So what happens if this was a string? It's going to concatenate it, and it's going to write 105 at the end. So it's technically going to be 1005 if it was a string. If it's not a string, of course it's going to add 5 to 100, which is 105, and let's see what we get. We get 105. So this is all parsing is. It changes one data type to another. This was a very quick example, and this can be very useful. So I really hope this helped, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.